If you want to add or change keyboard language on Realme GT 8 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Scroll all the way down and go to System and Update. Then we're gonna go to Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and then Gboard. Now we're gonna go to Languages, and we can press Add Keyboard in order to add a new language that we want to use on our phone. So let's say in my case, I'm just gonna choose one of these languages, let's say this one. And you should be able to find, for example, different layouts that you can use. And we can tap on Done in the bottom right corner. Now you can also tap on Edit in the upper right corner in order to choose whichever language you don't want to use anymore, and then tap on Remove. Or you can change the order of these languages. And if you want to, you can of course keep more than one language. If you open the keyboard, you can press and hold the spacebar in order to choose a different keyboard, different language, or you can tap on this globe icon that sometimes is visible here in the bottom right corner. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.